Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Consul on Ubuntu 24.04. First, run the following commands to make sure your system packages are up to date. Next, install the dependencies needed for Consul. Then, download the latest stable release of Consul. Replace the version if a newer one is available. Unzip and move the Consul binary to the following directory. After that, verify that Consul is successfully installed. Next, create a dedicated user and directories for Consul. Now, create a basic Consul configuration file with UI enabled. Next, add the following content. Then, save and exit the editor. Next, create a systemd service file. Add the following content. Continue to save and close the file. Then, reload systemd, start Consul, and enable it on boot. After that, check the status. Now, open your browser and access the following URL. Finally, you should see the Consul dashboard.